Welcome to How to Request Books, Tech, and Articles using OneSearch. Need something from the LPC Library? Whether it's a book, a laptop, or an article we don't immediately have, OneSearch is your go-to tool. Start by searching for your item in OneSearch. Use a title, author, or keyword. Use the filters to narrow your search to books or physical items like laptops and calculators. Click on the item title for more information. Sign in to your account with your MyPortal credentials. Under Get It, click Place Hold. Then click Send Request. You'll see a confirmation once your request goes through. When your item is ready, you'll get an email with pickup instructions. If you find an article in OneSearch that doesn't say available online and instead says RapidRequest, you can still get it. Click on the article title to view more details. Make sure you're signed in with your MyPortal credentials to see the request options. Look for the Place a Request link. Click Send Request. You'll get a confirmation and your article will usually arrive in your email within 1 business day. To check the status of your holds or article requests, go to your library account from the library homepage. If you need help or have questions, just ask a librarian.